Welcome to this video on watery stool or liquid bowel movement. Sponsored by healthhype.com. Please note that this video is not intended to replace a consultation with a medical professional. The shape and consistency of normal stool can be defined according to the 3 S's. It should be soft, smooth with some cracks, and sausage or snake-shaped, meaning that it is elongated. According to the Bristol stool chart, stool that is hard and lumpy, which is classified as type 1 and type 2, indicates constipation. Stool that meets the 3 S's like types 3 and 4 is normal. Blobs, mushy and watery stool as in types 5, 6, and 7 are indicative of diarrhea. Food enters the mouth, travels down the throat and esophagus to reach the stomach. Here it is broken down into mush. It then passes down the small intestine, where it is further broken down into a liquid consistency. Finally, this liquid enters the colon, where it is gradually transformed into firm but soft stool that is passed out through the rectum and anus. Water is pumped from the body into the small intestine. This helps with digestion. Water is then reabsorbed in the colon to allow stool to become of a firm but soft consistency. The reasons why stool may be of a liquid consistent is either due to excessive amounts of water being pumped into the small intestine, or insufficient reabsorption of water in the colon. This excess water and watery stool can cause diarrhea. There are 2 types of diarrhea that need to be noted here. One is secretory diarrhea, and the other is osmotic diarrhea. Several disturbances in the bowels may result in these type of diarrhea. Substances in the bowels may draw out excessive water, or the bowels may actively pump water from the body. Sometimes the water quantity in the small intestine is normal, but the colon does not reabsorb enough water to make stool firm but soft. There are several reasons why watery stool or diarrhea may occur. Infections are a common acute cause of watery diarrhea. Viruses, bacteria, or parasites may enter the gut and damage the bowel walls directly or through its toxins. This is seen in gastroenteritis and food poisoning. Certain foods can also cause watery stool. For example, in lactose intolerance, the body cannot digest the milk sugar known as lactose. The unabsorbed milk sugars can then draw water into the bowels. When the bowel wall is inflamed or damaged, it may be unable to control the water secretion and reabsorption in the bowels, as is seen in inflammatory bowel disease or celiac disease. Or movement may be too fast through the gut, like in irritable bowel syndrome, and there is not enough time for water to be reabsorbed. Even certain medication, excessive alcohol, and toxins may disturb this water balance and lead to watery diarrhea. Rehydrating too quickly after a period of dehydration can also cause watery stool. This is more likely to occur when water with no electrolytes or drinks with too much of electrolytes are used to rehydrate. For more information on the causes of watery diarrhea, please visit the Health Hype website by clicking the link below.